Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I want to share with you guys this small slow stitch project. I actually made this to use in the nautical journal I am working on, and I got some requests for patterns or for little slow stitch kits, so I decided to put some together. And I have these four right here. 1 through 4 is basically this pattern right here with the blue stripe and then the blue bottom part. And then number 5 through 7 is more of a shabby chic look, and they all have little buttons and like a little bit of a trim on the side, except number 7. Number 7 has this little bow on the side, but you can sew it wherever you want. So basically that whole idea, I'm going to show you guys kind of close up. So the whole idea is that I have two little bottom pieces. This would be the bottom part is white. So let's see. So that I have this part right here, which is white, and then I have the cream part, which is what I used for my base. But you can use the white too if you want as a base. But anyway, so then I have each part of the sails, and then the boat part down below, and then each one comes with a little button, and then these little strips of lace, and everything has been cut and laid out. So all you have to do is sit down and do some slow stitching now. So this is number 6. It's gonna come in this little glassine bag, and I actually took a picture of my original piece so you can have kind of like a visual guide of how it looks. When I package it, I'm going to, so when I package these, I'm going to package them so that I'm going to do kind of like a sandwich and kind of go like this and put them in the bag, if that makes sense. So when you unpack it, if things shift around, you'll have the little visual for it. So these will all be in my Etsy shop, and I'm going to link them below. So tell me what you guys think. If you guys like this idea, I will consider making some more slow stitch packages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.